Class, welcome back. Students, today we are going to do revision of lines and angle, chapter lines and angle. So, firstly, I will tell you that the important points and important things of chapter lines and angle. Chapter name, line, lines and angle. Okay. It is a very simple topic amongst in all the topic. One of the easy topic is the lines and angle. So first, it class. If angles forms on point, right? For example, if there are four angles formed at one point, the point is O. It is angle 1, it is angle 2, angle 3, and it is angle 4. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle sum of all four angle is equal to 360 degree. It is the first point. Similarly, there are so many points are there. We will just discuss one by one. And after this, class, the next is on the line. If there are one and two angle are formed at one point, sum of all angle is 360. Angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. This is by linear pair. Okay. And the types of angle. So if the angle is equal to 180, it is called right angle. Angle less than 90, it is called acute angle. Angle more than 90, less than 180, obtuse angle. Angle is equal to 180, it is called supplementary angle, or a straight on a straight line that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, class. And after this, it is the angle, means there are some few points to be discussed here. One is adjacent angle, and linear pair I have explained you. What is the meaning of adjacent? As adjacent mean, for example, if you have, it is a one angle, okay, and it is point A, it is point B, it is point C. So an important point here to discuss is that if there are single angle is there, so also you will write this angle as angle A, B and C. Class को हम represent कर सकते हैं by angle ABC. Also when we write it is angle B. Okay, so this angle B represent this angle. But one thing more which is important are there. Class, if you have this angle and this angle, for example, the point O, it is A, it is B, it is C. So this angle is represent as angle AOB. आप इसको angle O नहीं बोलेंगे because at O point there are the two angle. Okay. So if you are representing this angle, so you write it here angle AOB, and this angle will be as angle BO and C. Class, further, if you just there are the two lines are there. It is called lines are parallel. Okay, parallel lines, and it is called transversal, a line which intersect the two parallel line. So there are some few angles are forming here. Okay, before to start this one, and I'm thinking is that whatever I am explaining here, okay, already you know it because one time you have been studied this topic. So class, if you have two lines are intersecting, so these two angles are vertically opposite, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. They are called vertically opposite angle. Class, here there are so many total 8 angles are formed here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 1 is equal angle 5, angle 2 is equal angle 6, angle 4 is equal to angle 8, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. The all angles are equal by corresponding angle. The reason is corresponding. And angle 5 is equal to angle 4 and angle 3 is equal to angle 6. They equal by alternate angle. Okay, and 1 is equal to 4, 2 is equal to 3, 1 and 5 and 8 are equal, 6 and 7 will be equal. And after this, sum of these two angle will be 180 because the lines are parallel. Okay, sum of co-order angle is 180 and these two angles also will be equal to 180 degree. That's clear. That's now I am going to set some few questions. Because the first problem is we have to find the x, and it is 40. The working of first is 40 plus 4x plus 3x is equal to 180. It is by sum of linear pair or linear pair 7x, and 180 minus 40, it is 140. 7x, x is 140 upon 7, it is 20. It is the value of x. Okay, so now class, see the next problem. In the next problem, the figure is given there. It is a very simple problem. It is 130 and it is 110. It is x. Okay, so this line I extended, and this line is parallel to this one. It is 130. It is also 130. All right, and it is 110 by linear pair. It is 70. So 130 is equal to 70 plus 30, or it will be 40 by linear pair. So 70 plus 50 plus x is equal to 180. The x is 180 minus 120, it is 60. Okay, whereas actually I done this problem without the complete steps. The complete steps are also we may do by complete step. First I explain this question to you, so you will at it. It is angle 1, it is angle 2, and it is angle 3. So first I write here, firstly we have to we are extending the line here. So if this line is extending up to point Z, so line TP is produced up to Z. Okay, and line TZ is parallel to line RS. Alright, it is angle 3. Angle 3 is equal to 130 degree by corresponding angle. And we rate it is angle 1 or it is angle 2. Okay, so angle 1 plus 3 is equal to 180. Angle 1, 3 is 130. It is by linear pair. Angle 1 is 50. And angle 110 plus angle 2 is also 180. It is by linear pair. Angle 2 is 70. Alright, and angle 2 is 70 degree. After this class, now see here, in triangle P, Q and Z, PQ and Z. 50 plus 70 plus x is equal to 180 degree. It is by sum of angle sum property of triangle. ठीक है, इस write down angle sum property of triangle. So the x will be 180 minus 120. It is 60 degree. Okay, it is x. It is the value of x. 180 minus 60. It is the answer. Now class, see the third problem in which these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, and this line AP and BQ are the bisector of this angle and this angle. So this angle is equal to this one. This angle is equal to this one. देखिए, पहले क्लास हम लेंगे यहाँ पर. First I will do angle. It is point symbol AU. A and B is equal to angle VBA. It is by alternate angle. And if you divide by 2, if you're dividing the equation by 2, then you will get क्या जब हाफ करेंगे तो हाफ इन दोनों के इक्वल होगा, इन दोनों के इक्वल होगा. सो इट इज एंगल 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that is equal to angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And class we have to prove that. Actually जो इसमें प्रूविंग प्रॉब्लम है, एक्चुअली क्लास मैंने यहाँ कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं लिखा है, तो यहाँ पर आपको प्रूफ करना है AP is parallel to BQ. तो हम यहाँ पर लेंगे इम्प्लाइंग दैट एंगल 2 is equal to angle 3. फिर हम लिखेंगे एज alternate angles are equal implying that AP is parallel to BQ. ओके प्लस एक्चुअली आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर कि AP जो है अब यहाँ पर 2 and 3 इक्वल हो गए तो ऑल्टरनेट एंगल इक्वल है. प्लस अगर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल इक्वल है then we can say line AP is parallel to BQ.